Katanat personal jong sarkar jela mentah ke arterik unailor kalapan mi ya kajing penbana ba kalapan kenria akam he officer ba digi deputy commissioner jong ka jela. Ikong matsudor war nong bri in haban eno ka kam deputy commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills but in shimtino kum ka secretary jong katanat information but public relations. Kadba ikong isawanda lalu in eno ka kam deputy commissioner jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills but in shimtino kum ka deputy commissioner jong ka district East Khasi Hills. Uba FM dopt un eno como deputy commissioner ka East Gentia Hills, but un shimtino como secretary jong katanat textiles. Ikong si kongor ibabat kum ka secretary katanat social welfare in let ban shimtino kum ka deputy commissioner jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills. Uba Karmalki ubabat kum secretary katanat urban affairs, director jong ka urban affairs bat Meghalaya Urban Development Authority, bat trade advisor and director movement Kolkata un let ban shimtino kum deputy commissioner jong ka East Gentia Hills. USC Sandhu Ubalong, Deputy Commissioner Jong North Garo Hills, unit Benchimtino como Director Katanat Community and Rural Development. Dr. SP Ahmed, Batno Satang, Yakakam como Principal Secretary, Katanat Animal Husbandry but Veterinary, but ENO Yakatanat Information but Public Relations. Ikong MN Nampoi in Batang Yakakam como Secretary Jong Katanat Health and Family Welfare, but in Haban ENO Yakatanat Information but Public Relations but Katanat Textiles. Uba BS Solia wabat como Chief Executive Officer ka Shillong Municipal Board un shimti lang yakakam como Secretary ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority.